Russian President Vladimir Putin is in India on a high-stakes two-day visit, his first since the Ukraine war began. And this isn't just a diplomatic photo op. This summit is where defense, energy, sanctions pressure, and trade math all collide. So what's really on the agenda? India is balancing its long-standing Russia partnership while deepening ties with the US and Europe. Russia, meanwhile, wants to show it still has powerful partners. So yes, expect big optics. But the real story is what's being negotiated behind closed doors. The visit began with a private dinner with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On Friday, there is a ceremonial welcome at Rashtrapati Bhavan, a tri-service guard of honor, and a tribute at Rajghat, followed by formal talks at Hyderabad House. Then comes the India-Russia Business Forum, expected announcements, and a joint media statement. One key file is nuclear energy. Russia's Rosatom, already tied to Kudankulam, is expected to push for expanded civil nuclear cooperation. And a big buzzword here is small modular reactors, smaller, scalable nuclear units that could become part of India's future energy mix. Defense remains the biggest pillar and it dominates this visit. Expect talks on upgrades to the BrahMos missile program, including the lighter BrahMos NG. There could also be discussions around more S-400 air defense systems. And Russia is expected to pitch the Su-57 stealth fighter jet. Even today, a large share of India's frontline military platforms has Russian origins, which makes upgrades, spares, and long-term support a constant agenda item. Trade has grown, but it's lopsided. India-Russia trade rose 12% in 2024 to $63.6 billion, but India's deficit remains a concern. So the focus is, how do you fix payments and expand Indian exports without triggering sanctions risk? One new move, Russia's Sber has started a rupee-denominated letter of credit for Indian exporters, designed to make payments smoother. The summit's backdrop is sanctions pressure and global geopolitics. Putin's presence in New Delhi is meant to signal Russia isn't isolated. And for India, the message is clear. It will do business on its own terms. Strategic autonomy is non-negotiable. That's why this visit is being watched so closely, not just in Delhi and Moscow, but in Washington and European capitals too. So what's on the agenda? Defense upgrades, nuclear cooperation, trade and payment routes, and a bigger geopolitical signal wrapped around all of it. So this isn't merely a visit, it's a strategic calibration. For more crisp explainers on diplomacy and power moves, follow Business Standard.